Today I am reviewing Mova P50 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop. If at any time you'd like to explore this product for yourself and grab it at a great price, be sure to check the links below the video. The Mova P50 Pro Ultra Robot Vacuum and Mop is not just another cleaning robot. It's a fully automated home cleaning system designed to deliver professional-grade results with zero effort from you. If you've ever dreamed of a robot that vacuums, mops, self-cleans, self-dries, and even empties its own dust bin, this model might just be the perfect fit for your home. Let's start with what makes it so impressive: the automation. The Mova P50 Pro Ultra comes with a completely self-maintaining dock that handles everything for you. It automatically empties collected dust into its large built-in container, which can hold up to 75 days worth of dirt. That means you can go over 2 months without ever having to manually clean the dustbin. But that's not all. The dock also washes the mop pads using hot water at an incredible 167 degrees Fahrenheit, and then dries them completely to prevent bacteria, mold, or unpleasant smells from forming. This combination of self-washing and self-drying ensures your mop stays hygienic and fresh every single time. Now, when it comes to cleaning power, this robot doesn't hold back. With a massive 19,000 pascals of suction power, it easily pulls up embedded dirt, pet hair, and fine dust from any type of surface, be it hard floors, tiles, carpets, or even marble. It's equipped with an advanced anti-tangle brush, known as the Clean Chop brush, that prevents hair from wrapping around the roller. This is a lifesaver for homes with pets or long-haired family members, because you'll never have to struggle to cut out tangled hair again. The Mova P50 Pro Ultra is also incredibly smart when it comes to navigation and surface recognition. Using an RGB camera and intelligent dirt detection technology, it can visually detect different types of debris like coffee spills, crumbs, or even larger bits like beans. Once detected, it automatically adjusts its cleaning pattern and suction power to match the level of mess. Add to that its upgraded sensor system and LiDAR-like mapping technology, and you get precise 3D mapping of your entire home. This means it can navigate efficiently, avoid obstacles, and reach every corner, whether it's under furniture, along baseboards, or around tight spaces. One of its most useful features is the removable and liftable mop system. When the robot moves from hard floors to carpeted areas, it automatically lifts the mop pad to prevent your carpets from getting wet. It's a smart touch that shows Mova thought carefully about real-world use. And when it's back on tile or wood floors, the mop comes down to deliver a deep, streak-free clean. Mova has also given you full control through its advanced mobile app. You can map your rooms, set cleaning schedules, adjust water flow levels, choose between vacuuming and mopping modes, and even check in on your pets through the built-in video feature. The app also supports voice control through Alexa and Google Home, so you can simply say things like, "Start cleaning the kitchen," or "Vacuum under the dining table," and it obeys instantly. The cleaning performance itself is customizable and powerful. With a dual rotary mop system and 32 adjustable water levels, you can fine-tune exactly how much scrubbing and moisture your floors need. Whether it's a light dusting or deep cleaning after spills, this robot delivers a spotless, streak-free finish. And since the mop is removable, you can easily detach it for washing or replacement whenever you want. Another highlight is how well it handles corners and edges. Many robots struggle with corners, but the P50 Pro Ultra uses an extendable side brush and mop to reach into right-angle corners and along edges for a more complete clean. This ensures no dust or hair is left behind, even in the hardest-to-reach areas. Despite its power and intelligence, it's surprisingly quiet and efficient. The long-lasting lithium-ion battery offers up to 3.5 hours of continuous operation on a single charge, which is more than enough for most medium to large homes. Once the battery gets low, it automatically returns to the dock to recharge and resumes cleaning where it left off. In terms of build, the P50 Pro Ultra looks sleek and modern with a white finish that blends well with most home interiors. At just around 30 pounds for the full unit and dock, it's sturdy without being bulky, and the compact design makes it easy to place anywhere in your home. Overall, the Mova P50 Pro Ultra isn't just a vacuum. It's an intelligent, self-sufficient cleaning system. From 19,000 paw suction power, anti-tangle brushes, and liftable mops, to 167 degrees F hot water self-cleaning and auto-empty and refill features, this robot sets a new standard for convenience. Whether you have pets, carpets, hardwood, or tile floors, it ensures every inch of your home stays spotless with minimal effort from you. If you're looking for a truly hands-free cleaning experience that combines cutting-edge technology, strong performance, and full automation, the Mova P50 Pro Ultra is one of the best robot vacuum and mop combos you can buy right now. It's powerful, reliable, and smart, perfect for anyone who wants a cleaner home without lifting a finger.